Welcome to NachoNacho's B2B SaaS and Services Marketplace. Here we have over 300 plus free software deals and business perks, including AWS, AirMeet, Slack, Apollo, Notion, and many more across all software categories. Save big and redeem these free software discounts immediately with a free, basic NachoNacho account. Once you're into the platform, you can follow the redemption instructions. Some might require you to click a link, the others might require you to fill out a form. Every deal is different, but many of them revolve around receiving cashback, which will come back to you in your NachoNacho account within 30 to 45 days in the in-app cashback section. In addition to free deals, NachoNacho has a robust marketplace offering for premium accounts, including powerful SaaS and spend management tools that will help you track and control all of your subscriptions in one place. With a premium account, you can access over 800 plus software perks and discounts from major brands. For these deals, the process is a bit different. Each one will require a Nacho card, a powerful virtual card NachoNacho uses as a fintech tool to allow you to track and control your subscription expenses with the software and spend management features that become available with a premium subscription. You can assign this card and subscription to any employee in the company with strict limits in seconds and cancel the card just as fast if you want to end subscription payments. Use that virtual card on the vendor's website. This transaction will be instantly attributed to your account, and you can see the subscription itself from the vendor's dashboard in the left menu as well as in the Nacho card section. Your cashback will be available for withdrawal in 30 to 45 days. Getting great deals through NachoNacho's marketplace is easy. No matter if you're looking for one of your next marketing or HR software solutions and just want it for a great price, or as a complete one-stop shop for all of your software discovery, purchasing, and management needs.